I'm out here this morning, and these birds are going in circles. So the Lord is doing everything possible here in this nation of America, that His time is near. The birds are going in circle, just like the sheep around the world. Every animal, every creation of God is warning everybody and preparing for the coming of the Lord. This is very real, what I am recording. I just woke up, I looked out my window, and I'm out here recording and showing you that God is speaking. The birds are going in circle here in America. Get ready, America, and look up. Our redemption is drawing nigh. This, where I'm recording, is in Victorville, California. Look up. Look up. Look up. Be ready for Christ's return.